Hi viewers. In this part I'm gonna restore every exterior panels and parts, including prime and body repair. Here this engine exhaust header cover, I have planned for polish finish as you can see. There is another part of this video how it's done by steps. I like heat treated exhaust pipe end, just to experiment how this gonna works. Here it started front side. And I want to change bumper support so trimmed out. And leveled this area to a keep perfect straight. It takes a while to finish this metal work. I tried supporting bumper for perfect sweet spot to fit, and adjusted its position for welding it together. Arc welded with braid support. And later touched few spots with heavy rusted and it should straight up later. The rear bumper supports need also leveling. So light hammering helps for leveling that. The stubborn rusted bolts were soaked using penetrating fluids to remove bolts off. Rear door has slight collision damage. So with the help of gas torch and drill screw the dent was pulled and leveled with pull bar. And the surface was finished with angle grinder with wire brush attached. After that body filler was applied over the dent and sanded straight to the body panel. I used matte black paint as guide coat to level and scratch mark for each stage. Underbody dent was too tight to fix without lifting up the car, but I made it possible somehow, like I did previously on door. The front fender, both bottom section were rusted deeply and fixed with composite materials. I used hybrid material, so it will last long enough for this project car. Now it's time for priming the car for rust protection epoxy 2K primer. Mostly chemical and waterproof and good to use this. But first safety priority, use mask, goggles, gloves. This priming I have done in open space. Hence this a primer, no worries of dust. Anyway, I'm gonna sand this. But painting should be well closed area. Covered every panels as possible, and remaining I touched up later. The first primer makes too visible all the defects on parts. So these all need to level and filled up. This wheel arc shaping is bit task. It takes me a while to figure out tricks make it possible. Bumper joint was dry cut with angle grinder and leveled. Front bumper which is leveled out with gas torch, and off this video some other items too. Hope you like it. Please consider like, comment and subscribing this channel. Check out more videos in this channel. See you then.